ranking my top favorite lipsticks, and this coming from a lipstick addict like me, you guys better like it, okay? I'm telling you, I'm just joking. Why I'm saying this is because you all know that I love wearing lipsticks, and for me to literally sit through this whole bunch of lipstick that I have and pick like 5 out here for you guys was pretty tasking. So without telling you and raving about how difficult it was to pick my 5 lipsticks and all, let me just show you which these 5 lipsticks are, because trust me when I say this, I can't do without these colors. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I have with me right now has to be this one from MAC. It's the Feel So Grand lip color, which is this amazing, brilliant, warm red that looks stunning on your skin, and no matter what complexion you are, this one is something that you should totally get your hands on. And when I'm saying this, you gotta believe me, because there was a point when wearing red was something that I was not at all comfortable with, but when I went ahead and gave this one a shot, thanks to one of those MAC girls out there in the stores, I've been obsessed. Like, each time I step out, I have to be flooded with compliments, and this is the reason why. So yeah, this makes for my first favorite lipstick. Up next, I have this super cool shade, which is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. And for those of you wondering out there what shade of pink this is, guys, y'all have seen Key & Kaa. Y'all know the shade that Kareena Kapoor wears in the film. That's the pink I'm talking about. So if you're wondering why and what pink you should get, if you're a Kareena Kapoor fan and a fan of pink lips, this one out here is going to keep you sorted. And I love her, I love the color, the lips look so good and luscious. I mean, yummy, who wouldn't want a pink like that? So this is your bet. This is priced at about 890 rupees. I forgot to mention the price of the MAC one. This was for 1800 rupees. These are quite old. I've purchased them about at least good 3.5 months ago. So the prices may vary, but nevertheless, they will not vary from my favorite list. So yeah. Next, I have something with me from NYX. This is their soft matte lip cream in the shade called Rome. I think this is the perfect winter lip that you guys have been looking for. I mean, throw it over your whites and blacks and the crazy amount of nudish, purplish color that you've been wanting. Rome is going to sort you. Not too sure whether this is available here in India, because I picked this up when I was in Bangkok, but NYX is now available on Nykaa as well as in Shoppers Stop if I'm not wrong. So go take a walk, check it out, you might just find Rome, you know what I mean? Then I have with me something which is from Bobbi Brown. This is the shade Tool, and the color that I have been literally wearing every day to work, because it's so work friendly, it's amazing, it stays longer, and no matter what I eat, sip, drink or do whatever with these lips, they do not budge. They just don't budge. It stays right there as is, and I think it's a great investment, and makeup is an investment, right? So go ahead, splurge, enjoy. Year's coming to an end. We need to do all of this, yeah. And last but not the least, the fifth lipstick that I have is from Sephora. This is also a really nice nude shade, which is Sephora Rouge in the shade R21. This is not something that preferably anybody would want to wear otherwise, unless you have like a great smoky eye going on. So each time I'm out attending weddings or a party, when I have like a really dark and loud eye makeup going on, I prefer subtle lips, and this is the lipstick that I use. So well, pretty much it. We've got 5 lipsticks out here. Very difficult to pick 5. I have like some 7-8 more running in my head that could make it to my favorite. So in case you want a part 2, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to show it to you guys, what my collection is. If you want to know my updated lipstick collection, also comment below, talk to me, let me know. I'll surely do a video on that as well. In the meanwhile, make sure that you hit like, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Kisses from my lipstick girls. Bye.